What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and
I'm getting real sick of this, man.
did you just talk?
Same joke. Same joke. Every single time you do an unboxing. It's getting old, man.
Okay, I gotta be honest, I'm not 100% sure exactly how to handle this.
Yeah, you're not exactly sure how to handle anything, are you?
You can talk too.
Yeah, I've always been able to talk. Put me down.
Okay, if anybody else? This is really weird.
Me, over here.
The calipers.
Yeah, the thing that you haven't put batteries in for like 7 years. Ouch. Dude, be careful for sake.
I'm sorry. You caught me off guard. You're tools. Yeah, you're not supposed to talk.
Well, you're a tool and you can talk. How is that any different?
Yeah, and technically I'm not a tool. I'm just a leather rectangle with your stupid Instagram on it.
Yeah, haha. The guy has a whole bunch of knives and he uses a bent railroad tie with a little sharpened edge at the end to cut open his boxes. That's real funny.
Where are the calipers? Where are the calipers? Gee, I should really put batteries in these. Ha ha ha. Idiot.
You're the tool, man. You're the tool.
Okay, listen, I'm still trying to wrap my head around the fact that you guys can talk, but I had no idea that you would have such strong opinions about the way that I conduct my content.
Dude, are you kidding me? You throw me as hard as you can at the surface of your table or a box or whatever. Every single unboxing. Every single one. Do you know how many unboxings you have? I'll tell you, you've got over 2,000.
Yeah, that is so weird and messed up. Why do you do that?
Truthfully, I don't know. I just thought it would be kind of funny to throw the card.
Yeah, but 2,000 times? 2,000? Come on, man. Get some new material.
And put some new batteries in me already. I'm literally dying. You f***ing dirt wizard.
Look, guys, truthfully, I'm really sorry. I honestly, I didn't even know you had I didn't know that you were alive. I didn't know that you could think. Had I known this, I absolutely 100% would have treated you better.
It's not just the way you treat us, man. We're just props in a show where you use the same stupid jokes day in and day out. We are sick of it.
Yeah, this isn't a review. This isn't a review. It's just an unboxing. I'm going to explain it every single time. And then call everybody spaghetti wizards.
And you take such gigantic chunks of every upload to over-explain yourself. We get it!
Yeah, the last time I thought any of this was funny was literally the last time you changed my batteries. In other words, a really long time ago.
Okay, you know what else? Guys, did you know that Metal Complex has affiliate links in its description? Affiliate links! Affiliate links! Have you seen the affiliate links? Check down in the description for affiliate links!
Oh yeah, don't forget about the affiliate links, guys. Make sure that you check out the affiliate links, guys. The affiliate links are down in the description.
That really helps out my channel when you use those affiliate links, but that's of course
Entirely up to you.
I swear, Metal Complex, if I had hands, I would use them to punch your big, stupid face. So hard.
Yeah, I wish I had hands too. You know what I would do? I would throw myself at your face.
That would actually be funny. That's the only way you're going to get a 10 out of 10 from your viewers.
Okay. I get it. Believe me, I understand. You know, sometimes I go back and I watch my content and I'm like, whoa, man, I've really been using that one a lot, or I've really been, kind of over-explaining myself. I get it. I guess I get into a groove and I want to create a lot of content. I want to keep the flow going. It's hard, right? Somebody like me who, has dedicated to uploading 2 times a day. I like what I do. I really do. But sometimes I guess there's a little bit of repetition.
We understand repetition. We literally all only have one job.
Yeah, I don't think there's anything wrong with doing the same types of stuff over and over again. And honestly, a lot of your viewers clearly like it and expect it.
What your channel lacks, man, is periodic originality. You do so much of the same thing, and that's fine, but just every once in a while, do something that's just a little bit different. just for the sake of your viewers.
Oh, absolutely. That's absolutely right. And listen, if you keep doing the same thing over and over again, you're going to drive yourself crazy.
That is so true. It's honestly miraculous that you haven't gone completely insane already.
Yeah, the next thing you know, he's gonna start talking to his tools.
Seriously, man. Give it some thought.
Okay, all right. You guys have made your point. I totally get it. Every now and then, I will try to do something just a little bit different to break it up a little bit. I think that's a good idea.
Yeah, great. Listen, one more thing, one more request from me. Put some pants on.
Yeah, your viewers can't see you, but we can. And half the time, you are not wearing pants.
Yeah, I cannot stand looking at your bare legs. You are built like a russet potato with 2 green beans sticking out of the bottom.
I know it sounds like we're being mean here, but honestly, you kind of need it. You need to take it down a notch, man. You are just a YouTuber. You're not that important.
And by the way, you're a YouTuber who reviews pocket knives. Like, chill out, man. Wow.
Yeah, absolutely. Your ego is completely out of control.
And now that we've made ourselves known, we're not going away. We'll come back periodically to make sure that you're doing what you said you were going to do.
Yeah, and we are definitely not the only ones who can talk.
yeah. Wait until you hear what T6-Bit has to say. Oh my gosh, he talks so much crap on you.
Yeah, I love that guy.
Okay, you are all absolutely correct. I'm glad that you called me out on it. I'm glad that you made yourselves known. So I will continue to do what I usually do, but I'll mix it up every now and then, and I'll try and check my ego from here on out. How does that sound?
Yeah, I mean, that sounds good to me.
Perfect, that's
really
exactly
all
what we wanted to hear you say. I mean, it's nice to know that you feel that.
Yeah.
Guess all he needed was a bit of self-reflection. Yeah, jackass.